How does the lemon smell?
Well,
How does the lemon smell?
smells fabulous. I don't really like the lemon smell. I mean, orange is nice, but lemon is, makes your mouth water. Isn't it? That's citrusy.
Yeah. And when you use a UK-based recipe, if you put in all of those eggs without any flour,
Yeah.
it splits. But with these recipes, they don't seem to split and curdle. Because if something curdles, all you do is put in a tablespoon of flour, and then it stops it curdling.
I see what you're on about now, about the lumpy finish.
What do you mean?
Well, the lumpy finish on these, they're not flat, are they?
No.
They're how nature intended, I think, of those lemons.
Yeah. The bobbly lemons will always have more flavour and taste in
They're
them.
not all grow the same uniform shape like they do today.
No, they're more natural. Alright.
Yeah, is that it?
Yep, perfect, thank you.